Excuse me, can you help?
Yes, of course.
Is this the right floor?
Which store do you need?
I need the shoe store.
It is upstairs, left.
Is there an escalator?
Yes, right behind you.
How many floors are there?
3 floors total.
Is the food court here?
Yes, on 3rd floor.
Is there a pharmacy here?
Yes, near the exit.
Where is the exit?
Follow the green signs.
Is this mall big?
Yes, very big mall.
Are there many stores?
Over 100 stores.
Is there a kids section?
Yes, on 2nd floor.
Is there a cinema here?
Yes, top floor.
What time does it close?
We close at 10.
Is parking free here?
First 2 hours free.
Where is the parking?
Underground. Use elevator.
Is the elevator nearby?
Yes, near main entrance.
Is there a restroom close?
Yes, around the corner.
Is there a lost and found?
Yes, at information desk.
Where is information desk?
Center of ground floor.
Is this store open now?
Yes, just open today.
Do you have a sale?
Yes, 20% off.
Is sale on everything?
Most items, yes.
Can I use this coupon?
Yes, at the cashier.
Is there a fitting room?
Yes, inside the store.
How many items allowed?
Up to 6 items.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, all cards accepted.
Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, near the entrance.
Can I exchange items?
Yes, within 30 days.
Do I need a receipt?
Yes, keep it safe.
Is gift wrapping available?
Yes, at the counter.
Is it free service?
Small fee applies.
Can I order online too?
Yes, same-day delivery.
Is delivery fast?
Within 2 hours today.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, free to join.
What are the benefits?
Points on every purchase.
Can I sign up now?
Yes, right at cashier.
Is there a cafe here?
Yes, on 2nd floor.
Is coffee good there?
Yes, very popular cafe.
Can I sit and rest?
Yes, seating area nearby.
Is Wi-Fi available here?
Yes, completely free Wi-Fi.
What is the password?
Ask at information desk.
Is this your only branch?
No, 5 branches citywide.
Which branch is biggest?
This one is biggest.
Thank you for your help.
Happy to help anytime.
You were very helpful today.
Come back again soon.
Hello, I need help.
Yes, how can I help?
I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
Since this morning.
Is it very strong?
Yes, quite strong.
Do you have a fever?
A little, yes.
Do you feel dizzy?
Yes, a little dizzy.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, no allergies.
Do you take any medicine?
No, nothing currently.
Have you eaten today?
Just a small snack.
Do you drink enough water?
Not really, no.
That could be the reason.
Really? Just dehydration?
Yes, very common cause.
What do you recommend?
Try this medicine first.
What is this medicine?
It is a painkiller.
Is it strong medicine?
No, mild and safe.
How many do I take?
Take 2 with water.
How often should I take it?
Every 6 hours maximum.
Should I take with food?
Yes, always with food.
How long until it works?
About 30 minutes, usually.
Is it safe for me?
Yes, very safe medicine.
Do I need a prescription?
No, available without prescription.
How much does it cost?
Just $5 total.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Should I see a doctor?
If no better tomorrow.
Is it serious?
No, very common condition.
Should I rest today?
Yes, rest is important.
Can I drink coffee?
Better to avoid today.
Should I drink more water?
Yes, at least 8 glasses.
Do you have vitamin C?
Yes, right here.
Is it good for headaches?
Good for immune system.
How much is vitamin C?
$8 per bottle.
Can I take both together?
Yes, safe to combine.
Do you have anything else?
Try this cooling patch too.
What is a cooling patch?
Put it on your forehead.
Does it help with headaches?
Yes, very soothing relief.
How long does it last?
About 4 hours long.
Is it easy to use?
Yes, just peel and stick.
How much is it?
$3 per pack.
I will take everything.
Good choice. Feel better.
Thank you so much.
Get well very soon.
Excuse me, I am lost.
No problem. I can help.
Which line goes downtown?
Take the blue line.
Is Blue Line this one?
Yes, right here.
How many stops away?
Just 4 stops away.
Is it a long ride?
About 10 minutes total.
Do I need to transfer?
Yes, at Central Station.
Where is Central Station?
2 stops from here.
Which direction do I go?
Follow the blue signs.
Is this the right platform?
No, opposite platform, please.
How do I get there?
Use the underpass below.
Is the underpass far?
No, just around the corner.
Can I buy ticket here?
Yes, at the machine.
Is machine easy to use?
Yes, very simple machine.
Do I need exact change?
No, card also works.
How much is the ticket?
$2 per ride.
Can I get a day pass?
Yes, $8 daily.
Is day pass worth it?
Yes, for many trips.
Where do I buy it?
Same ticket machine there.
Is Metro safe here?
Yes, very safe metro.
What time does it close?
Midnight every single day.
What time does it open?
Opens at 6 morning.
Is it busy right now?
A little busy now.
When is it less busy?
After 9 in evening.
Can I bring my bags?
Yes, bags are allowed.
Is there a luggage limit?
No limit, just manageable.
Can I bring food inside?
No eating on metro.
What about drinks?
Sealed bottles are fine.
Is there Wi-Fi inside?
Yes, free Wi-Fi available.
Does it work underground?
Yes, all stations covered.
Are there elevators here?
Yes, near main entrance.
Is elevator working today?
Yes, fully working today.
Which exit for the mall?
Exit B, turn right.
Is mall far from exit?
Just 2 minutes walk.
Thank you for your help.
Happy to help anytime.
You explained it very clearly.
That is my job.
I feel less lost now.
Good. Enjoy your trip.
One last question, please.
Yes, go ahead.
Is next train coming soon?
Yes, 2 minutes away.